Vlogmas day, I don't know. I don't know, 10, today's Monday. I am at work again. My weekend off is over and I'm starting to get sick. And I was feeling it last night and I've been kind of feeling like I'm getting an earache. Obviously, I would know what that feels like because when I was little, you guys probably don't know this about me, I would get double ear infections all the time. It was awful, and it was painful, and it was just not, I can always tell when like an earache's coming on, and I haven't really had them that much as an adult. I did have reoccurring, well, I did get an earache again randomly when I was in middle school one time, but that cleared up in like a couple hours and it was fine. But I was just getting like random ear pains. I'm sorry for burping. I just got to work in the break room. Usual, nothing exciting. I'm actually, oh god, my eyebrow, it's awful. I'm using a new brow gel. It's the Milani one, and it's supposed to be blonde, but it's like a lot more red than my Kat Von D taupe one, but that one is just getting so dried out that I was like, you know what, no, gotta move on to something else. So my brows are awful. I'm tired. I don't feel good, but my hair is not as brassy, so I'm a very happy duck right now. Quack. And I'm just gonna chill out. I'm supposed to, my PowerPoint presentation for class is due Wednesday night. I realized I forgot to do my quiz last night. That's just my life at this point. So hopefully I can just make that up during the week. It'll still be on Blackboard. If not, then I'm screwed and I have a 0, and I'm really not happy about that, but whatever. My plan was to work on my PowerPoint right now. Might work on it later. If not, definitely, wow, I need to rethink that. I was going to work on it right now. I decided to work on it later tonight, and then tomorrow morning when I come in early to work so I could just do it and get it done. And then because Tuesday night, Ween is having her little chorus concert, which I'm excited about because I used to have those all the time when I was in high school, and now she does. So I have that, and then Wednesday night I have my presentations, and that's my last on-ground class, and then I'm gonna be focusing on doing my final draft of my paper, which is due the 16th, this Sunday. So that's what I'm gonna be focusing on the rest of the week after Wednesday, and I'm not really happy about it. So I hope you guys are all having a good day, and I'm just gonna chill and watch some videos and try to get it together because I could just feel like that sick feeling in the back of my throat, and it's gross. I've been taking my vitamin C gummy vitamins last couple days. I have to say, I've noticed a pattern, and if you guys have with previous Vlogmas years, you know what I'm saying. Get sick this time of year, every single year, and it's annoying, and it sucks, and the only difference this year is that I'm working, so I can't really afford to miss any work, so I can have a paycheck. So that really sucks. Yay, I'm getting a cough too. It's great. And I forgot my extra bag of cough drops. Yay. Hi guys. So I didn't really vlog anything today because I wasn't really able to vlog on my break because I had a lot of my coworkers come into the room that I was in and we were talking, and it's funny how a lot of people are starting to quit now because yeah. So I'm extremely exhausted and irritated because near the end of the day, here's the thing. They had me clock in 20 minutes early, so I thought I was going to leave 20 minutes early today. No. So therefore, I'm irritated because I ended up getting out after 6 o'clock tonight. And I'm over it, and I'm over this fucking shift, and I'm over being treated like shit, and I'm over it, and I'm over the stupid people I work with. Not all of them, but a few floaters that I don't really like, that don't do shit. One of them literally reeked of weed today, and I was just like, you work in a fucking center, can you at least like not be reeking of it when you go to work? I mean, I don't judge, I don't care, but like, it just drove me crazy. This fucking happened. Hi, hello, I had to cut my nail down. That really pisses me off because I have to get my nails done. I'm not going to be able to until next Wednesday, so it really pisses me off. I'm going to have shit-ass nails because I can't get out on time to go get my nails done or get out at a reasonable time to go get them done. And it's just great. It's a great fucking time. I'm exhausted. I'm supposed to do my PowerPoint presentation tonight. It's due Wednesday, and tomorrow night I'm going to my sister's chorus concert after work. So tomorrow morning I'm going to be doing a PowerPoint presentation, and tomorrow night I'll be doing a PowerPoint presentation. Not really looking forward to it, but I procrastinate, so I could have easily done it last week, but why would I do that? And then my paper's due Sunday, and I'm not even done with the first draft, and I was supposed to send to my professor like last week or the week before. I'm awful. I don't care anymore. I'm laying in bed right now. I'm watching TV on
the iPad and watching videos at the same time, and I think I might nap because I'm just done. And I'm really tired of like them letting out people early but never letting me out early because I'm a closer. No, I'm fucking over it. I'm gonna start taking some time off. That's what the fuck I'm gonna do. I'm over it.
Good morning, guys. So I didn't really vlog anything yesterday that much, so I failed. I'm determined not to fail Vlogmas this year, but today's Tuesday. I normally don't vlog on Tuesdays and Thursdays because I usually have videos to go up for Wednesday and Friday. So I have a couple of videos this week that will be going up, but I procrastinate as usual with school, as you guys know. I have a PowerPoint presentation due tomorrow night, and I haven't started it, so this morning that's what I'm going to be doing. And I still need to edit Sunday and Monday's Vlogmas, but I think I might just put them together because it's not even that much footage at all. And then tonight, when I come home, if I'm not done with my PowerPoint, I have to finish that, and then I'm going to edit Wednesday's video, or edit those vlogs and then edit Wednesday's video, which I should have done last night, but there's but. We just woke up, but that's my plan right now, so hopefully by the time this is up, I'm caught up. I'm just very tired. Very, very tired. It's Tuesday night. It's 9 o'clock. I just got home like 15 minutes ago because I went straight from work tonight to my sister's chorus concert, which if you follow me on Snapchat, then you would have seen that. And she did really good. And it's funny because it's at my old high school. And obviously Wayne and I both go to the same high school. It's so funny because to hear like the chorus teacher speak, it just brought me back to like being in those seats waiting to go up on stage to sing. Like it just brought me back. I was just like, wow, he hasn't changed. He has not changed. Yeah, I haven't vlogged, but my Vlogmas is behind right now because I kind of gave myself another break. I'm terrible, you guys know. I've tried so hard to be consistent with Vlogmas, but then I just kind of be like, we'll just let a day slide or whatever. But truth be told, the reason why I let it slide was because last night I just was very fed up. One of my bosses wasn't here yesterday and today being Tuesday. I'm filming this, and it's just been a complete SHAT show. So yeah, and I ended up falling asleep last night at like 7:30 to 9. Like I took a nap last night and then I went to sleep, like just over it. Came home to this. Stephanie, we gotta talk, girl. You can't. It's really funny because I mentioned in the vlog that I needed a really good hairspray because the hairspray I'm using is shit. And then she DMs me and she's like, I got a hairspray coming to you in 2-3 days. I'm like, what? I do appreciate it, so thank you, Steph. Again, I am excited. I hope this is a bomb one because I'm very picky with hairspray and I don't have anything sharp to open this, so we're gonna use a tack. I'm very picky with hairspray because I just don't like it, but I feel like it helps keep my hair down. It's a complicated thing. Yeah, so if you're new here, my sister is a hairdresser. She might as well be. Hey girl. My cousin's a hairdresser. She's opening up her own salon soon, boutique salon, and you should go follow her. Her Instagram is down below. Every time I mention her, I'm gonna put her down below because she needs some recognition, even though she probably don't need it, but you know, helping some fam out. So we're just gonna open this up. The thing I've noticed these last few boxes, and she orders these from Salon Centric, which is for salon professionals, or it says so on the box. They send such a huge ass box for like nothing, and it's just like, was this necessary? I mean, I guess if stuff's flammable, but we got some bubble wrap. Oh, I should bring this to work tomorrow and have the kids play with it before they chew it all up. Ooh, what's here? What's here? Literally, guys, this one product, this huge box, logic, I don't understand. Salon Centric, get it together. But let's see, the Matrix Vavoom freezing spray, finishing spray. For a glam finale, shake well. I never shake them, fun fact. Spray lightly for soft hold, more for oh, so you can adjust how much you need. I like that. So we're gonna give this baby a try. Thank you, Stephanie, again for sending me hair products. I truly do appreciate it because like I said in the last vlog, my hair, one use with all of that, I feel like it's not as yellow and brass anymore, and it's amazing. It does have a faint smell to it, but
I will try this out tomorrow before I go to work, because I go to work for 7:30 tomorrow, which is annoying, but very excited. So thank you so much again. I do truly appreciate it. Girl, we should have met a long time ago. You could have been fixing my hair before I fucked it all up. But I'm excited to use that. So now I'm going to edit, which should have been Sunday's vlog, and get that up. And then I did not vlog a lot Monday, and obviously I'm putting this little clip in, so I think I'm gonna edit this. And I'm gonna do dishes. David doesn't get out till 11 tonight, but that's another video. So I just wanted to pop in and just say I'm sorry that this vlog is really short and rambly and stupid, probably. It's life, this is what I do every single day, and I'm sorry if it's not as entertaining as my previous Vlogmas years, because I actually have a job now and I have bills to pay, which, speaking of, I gotta pay my credit card, I gotta pay Target card, I gotta pay my electric bill, it's all due tomorrow. Actually, Target's not due till for another week, but those two are due tomorrow, and I just got paid today, so we're just gonna do that. But I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm sorry. And I'll see you tomorrow hopefully tomorrow for Wednesday's video. Okay, love you guys. Oh gosh, sorry. Bye.